Hi everyone, in this video we will start using the pattern engine practically. First, we need to define the region we will be working with. This region must meet certain conditions. It needs to be a 2D shape, non-self-intersecting, meaning not internally intersected, flat and well closed. For example, a rectangle can be used. You could also use a circle or any irregular shape, as long as it adheres to the mentioned conditions. If you try to work with an unclosed shape, an error message will appear, outlining the necessary shape conditions. What does self-intersected mean? A shape can be flat and closed but internally intersected, like this. The script will not allow pattern creation with such a shape. You can create several patterns simultaneously. If you have multiple regions, you can select them all and press Create. However, we don't recommend this method as it can cause 3ds Max to slow down, especially if the pattern is complex or contains many items. When creating a pattern using this method, Edit mode will be turned off because multiple shapes are created together, and there's no longer a single object to work on. In typical cases, when you create a new pattern, Edit mode will be initially on. To turn off Edit mode, simply press this little power button. If you want to select an object to modify it, select it first, then press Edit. If you modify the clip area and want to update the pattern, you'll use the refresh function. For instance, if you change a value to 5 and then want to update the pattern on the modified clip area, press the refresh button. There's an arrow here that selects the current object and another arrow that selects the current clip area. If you want to replace the clip area while working, click here and then select the new clip area. The object will be moved from the old clip area to the new one. To modify the pattern's position or rotate it, it's preferable to make these changes via the clip area. This is because if you refresh or modify any parameter, the pattern will return to its initial position on the clip area. So to move the object, it's best to move it through the clip area as it's linked to it. It's more reliable to adjust its position via the clip area. Or simply draw a new one. I personally prefer drawing a new clip area and then creating the pattern on that new area without moving the object. If you have several clip areas, some valid and some invalid, and you attempt a multi-create operation by selecting all of them, a message will appear. The system will then create patterns only on the valid clip areas and skip the invalid ones. In this video, we explained how to create or modify a new pattern and explored some of its options. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.